Yeah, hi team. So today we'll discuss about this multi-tenant architecture. So in this video we will talk about the multi-tenant architecture like 7i, 8i and 9i, 10g, 11g. We have normal database architecture. But 12c onwards, Oracle came with this new architecture, multi-tenant architecture. So 12c and 18c, 19c, either you can create a normal database or multi-tenant DBs like CDB, PDBs. But in the 21c and the 23c, only we have a multi-tenant architecture. There is no normal database architecture. So here multi-tenant architecture, we can call it as container database, a CDB database, multi-tenant database. So you can call it a multi-tenant container, CDB, multi-tenant. So all are same. CDB means container database. PDB means pluggable database. So normal database versus multi-tenant database. DEVDB is normal. DEVCDB is multi-tenant database. So 7i, 8i, 9i, 10g and 11g normal DB architecture. 12c onwards multi-tenant architecture. Till 19c we can create normal DB or multi-tenant DB, but after 21c and 23 there is no normal DB, only we have multi-tenant architecture. Coming to database and normal database, so in the normal database, instance plus database. Instance means memory plus background process, we can call it as instance. Memory in respect of SGA, system global area, shared global area, programmable global area. Okay. And database files. What is database? Database means physical files. Physical files. What are the physical files? Data files, system, sysocs, undo, users, temp. SP file, control file, password file, redo log file, arclog file, listener, TNS. All these are database files. So in interview they can ask like what is instance and what is database. So instance nothing but memory plus background processes. Database nothing but it is a physical files. Physical files comes under like system sysops. These are data files. SP file is P file, parameter file, control file, password file, redo logs, listener logs. These are physical files. So all these comes under database. So after that, DevDB and DevCDB, TESTCDB, container database, instance plus database. In this scenario also, instance equal to memory plus background process. Like here also, database means physical files. PDB means pluggable database. Okay. This PDB resides in the CDB. Pluggable database resides inside CDB. Only data files, database like data files, system, sysocs, undo, users, temp, etc. So here PDB, what comes as the PDB? PDB contains only data files. Either it can be system data files or user data files. System data files means system, sysocs, undo. Users data file means users and temp. Either you can create your own table space. CDB. CDB means DEVCDB. This is a main container database. Okay. CDB $root. It is a root container. PDB $seed. This is a default read-only template like PDB database container ID 2. Using this PDB seed template, we can create the pluggable database. So we can have only one CDB, we can have multiple CDBs, but we don't have multiple CDBs and multiple PDBs. We should have only one CDB, that is root. We can call it as root. Under root CDB